Meaning of gallivant.
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 Gallivant. The word gallivant refers to the act of traveling or wandering aimlessly, often in search of pleasure or excitement. It implies a sense of lightheartedness and carefree abandon. The term can be used to describe someone who is exploring an unfamiliar city, taking a spontaneous road trip, or simply indulging in a leisurely stroll through the countryside. Ultimately, to gallivant is to embrace a sense of adventure and spontaneity, without any particular destination or goal in mind. It's about enjoying the journey rather than focusing solely on the final destination.